Go and make it. Why do you keep falling? Hi guys, let's make pasta for my kids. They will soon be back from school, so I want to quickly make this before they get back home. I don't think I will finish making this pasta before they get back home, but at least let it be that I have already started, right? So it's just going to be a quick one. I have been busy since morning, so right now I don't have time to cook something special. Not that this one is not special, or this one is special, but you know, something more broad, if I must say. Is that the right word? Anyways, you get what I mean, right? Don't you? So come along with me, guys. Let's cook. This is a leftover sauce here. My pot. Let me get my pot. All right. I'm going to parboil it first. I don't know, honestly. I don't really know how I want to do this, but the only thing that is coming to mind now is olive oil, tuna, and a little bit of vegetable to garnish it, and then I'll boil some eggs to go with it. It's just for my kids, and they love it whenever I make. They love it whenever I make all this simple pasta for them. Add water. I have cucumber, green bell pepper, and 2 carrots. Oh yeah, I also have some basil leaves, which is also known as curry leaves. I have this what is it called again? Bacon. Yes, bacon. I'm going to use it. If you use bacon to cook pasta, it's usually very delicious. And then I have pesto. I will also be adding tuna. I'll bring that one in later. So I'm going to wash these and cut them. All washed. Hold on, I think I should start with the onion first. Olive oil. Here is the onion. I'm going to clean it up and slice. Done. They are already here and I'm just starting. Anyway, it doesn't take time. How are you, baby? How was school today?
Very fine.
Welcome.
Thank you.
seasoning cube, just one. Salt, little bit of pepper, blended habanero pepper. The tuna, some of the basil leaves. This is going to add a very nice aroma to the dish, so that's why I'm adding it. Then the pasta. Now mix, 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 and mix until everything is properly combined. Yeah, that's how we do it. It's looking nice already, and it smells really good. Come closer, let me bring you closer, just so you can see the beauty of this pasta. Can you see that? It doesn't even take time, trust me. And your kids will love it. Go and make it for them and come and thank me later. You have to cook it till it's like 80% done. Then you add it in the sauce, mix it. By the time you are done mixing it, it would have been up to 90% done, and that's it. It doesn't have to be too soft and soggy. They don't like it that way. And we are done, guys. Like literally, we are done. Just for tasting, okay? I'm not eating. Look at that. Ooh. And of course, over here the eggs are still boiling. We are going to be using eggs like I mentioned earlier. I can't remember if I said it earlier, but yes, we are going to be using eggs for the pasta. And yours doesn't really have to be eggs. You can use anything you think your kids would love and enjoy. You can use turkey, beef, chicken, and fish. Okay, but as for us, we are going to be pairing it with eggs, and they'll love it with eggs as well. Come and join me. So good. You must make this exactly the way I made it. Go and make it. Why do you keep falling? Bye guys, go and make this for your kids. They will love it. Turn off the heat. And that's it, guys.